The MOCREO Wi-Fi Freezer Thermometer Kit is truly helpful. It offers essential temperature monitoring. This kit includes 3 powerful sensors. 2 sensors handle standard freezer temperatures. They go down to -40. One ultra-low sensor reaches -328 degrees F. Therefore, it covers extreme cold. This MOCREO Freezer Thermometer, 3 sensors, alerts, gives you peace of mind. It is like a silent guardian. It constantly watches your cold storage. Furthermore, this system connects to your Wi-Fi. You get instant updates. The dedicated app shows real-time data. Moreover, email alerts notify you promptly. These warnings are crucial. They act as a digital lifeline. You know immediately if temperatures shift. Consequently, you can react fast. The kit also logs all data. This creates a valuable history. It is like a detailed diary. In addition, this MOCREO Freezer Thermometer, 3 sensors, alerts, keeps you informed. Thus, this thermometer is perfect for many uses. Homeowners can protect their groceries. Businesses can safeguard sensitive inventory. It prevents significant financial loss. Meanwhile, it ensures food safety. You avoid unexpected surprises. Next, setup is very simple. This system works tirelessly for you. It is a smart investment. Ultimately, the MOCREO Freezer Thermometer, 3 sensors, alerts, is highly recommended. Pros: 2 freezer thermometers, 1 ultra-low thermometer, wide temperature range, app alerts, email alerts, data logging, real-time monitoring, prevents food spoilage, easy to set up. Remote access. Cons: limited ultra-low range, relies on Wi-Fi connection, app, email alerts only. Features: Wi-Fi connectivity, 2-40, thermometers, 1-328 degrees F thermometer, app alerts, email alerts, data logging, freezer monitoring, temperature tracking, remote monitoring, low temperature capable. The MOCREO Wi-Fi Freezer Thermometer Kit helps you keep an eye on temperatures in your freezer or other cold places. It comes with 2 thermometers that can measure down to -40 degrees F and 1 special thermometer that can measure super cold temperatures down to -328 degrees F. You can check the temperatures from anywhere using an app on your phone or get alerts sent to your email if it gets too warm or cold. The device also saves all the temperature information, so you can look back at it later. This kit is great for remotely tracking very low temperatures and ensuring everything stays at the right chill. The MOCREO Wi-Fi Freezer Thermometer Kit helps you keep an eye on your freezers and even ultra-cold storage. It comes with 2 regular freezer thermometers and 1 special thermometer for extremely low temperatures. You can check the temperatures in real time using an app on your phone, and it will send you alerts by app or email if something is wrong. This helps prevent food from spoiling. The kit also records data, so you can see temperature history, and it's easy to set up for remote monitoring. Just remember, it needs a Wi-Fi connection to work.